My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called Kuiper. The video will be only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack we were able to open our files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer, and then very soon users actually realize that they can no longer access their data. This ransomware would actually encrypt the files and damage the files considerably. So it would not be possible to actually use these files anymore. All the data gets damaged and encrypted by this Kuiper ransomware. So these are the results of the ransomware attack. The ransomware encrypts the files and appends this Kuiper extension to the file names, and it's not possible to use the files. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery, but paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea, so do not pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. I recommend you to urgently remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable antivirus program, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You will need to use your Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer, go to the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then start carefully researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode after you start it, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. After you click on the start scan button, the program will first of all update its anti-malware database. And this is obviously essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, so don't skip this very important step. So after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching and investigating the computer. Let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. You can add certain folders and they will always be protected, but Combo Cleaner once again does not decrypt the data. At the end of the scanning you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on your system. We recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium, and you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And in the description to this video you'll find a special link which will give you more information on how to recover your data.